Hello and welcome to Vancouver Carpenter. So we are back on, I think I'm actually at like day 6 of this ceilings and walls and texture making disappear-ishness job. Anyways, you could probably tell by the way I'm talking that I might be getting a little bit tired at this point. But let's go in and take a quick look before I time-lapse the whole rest of the job. So as usual, you know, we got the poor homeowners with their couches in the corner here and their house in disarray. It's just how it goes on a job like this. But yeah, we got the ceiling, which has a first coat. I'm gonna sand it, finish coat it. We got these walls that have had a first coat, but that need to be sanded and have a finish coat. The camera never picks up what actually needs to be done still. But anyways, yeah, I gotta get this place organized so I can actually walk all around in here. That's where we're at. And most annoyingly, first thing in the morning, of course, I got to come in and fix all the little things so that we can keep this job on track to be finished sanded tomorrow, which I will have to do by hand. Anyways, getting back to that little montage, like I said, I think we're going to have to time lapse the rest of the work because, yeah, I'm not going to get out of here if I don't. So on to sanding and finish coating the ceiling and walls. Will have to be good enough. Sand out those lines.
But this is really helpful to see from this angle.
Oh, good.
It's even better than from the side angle.
A couple little lines I want out of there. Come on. There we go. Oh, we just have an inconsistency in the ceiling here.
Blame the ceiling.
Oh, well, it is what it is. You got a flat tool and you're leaving lines, and there's something in the ceiling.
Well, we've already determined that the ceiling is crooked, so
yeah.
There's no question about that.
Okay, I think I need one more quick pass. Well, I need one there. Let's start here and end here.
That's the feather one.
Oh, I'm gonna live with. All right, well, I am officially done. It's been a little bit of a slog, but the new tools worked great. This ceiling is looking really smooth. These walls They're all looking real nice. And I'm done and ready to go home. I'm not gonna film sanding this job. I'm gonna have to film it by hand. I'm not able to get perfect results with the Festool yet, so it's gotta be done by hand. Anyways, yeah, another job almost done. Tomorrow it'll be done. So this very tired drywallery carpenter is ready to go home. Anyways, I want to say thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget, don't smash that like button, feather it. And if you've been abstaining from subscribing, why not give it a shot, you know? Again, it's not gonna hurt. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you got something out of this video. Until the next one.